Instagram have just made a huge change to the link we can add in our bio section. So stick around as I explain it all to you right now. So here we are on one of my Instagram accounts. Now this is an account I don't do too much with. I just post a few photos here and there. I mainly use it for teaching and coaching purposes. Now, as popular as Instagram is with billions of users around the world, one of its limitations is that it's only given us one opportunity to add a clickable link in our bio section. And as you can see here, I'm using that area to use the Linktree link. Now, people also use it to add a link to their website or their landing page or their Shopify store, that type of thing. But there's only been one availability for a link, which limits lots and lots of people and businesses. Now, just to give you a few other examples, this is the international chef Jamie Oliver. He's using the Linktree link as well. And the idea is when people use this is that if you click on it, it then takes you to all of his other websites and cookbooks and various other places that you can go online. So by clicking and using the Linktree link, it then takes you to lots of other different websites. And another example to show you is one of the amazing accounts on Instagram that I follow, Colour Me Courtney. Courtney's using her one clickable link to link to her YouTube channel that you can see here. And the third example I just want to show you about the limitations is even the Major League Baseball Instagram account has only got the one link, and to click on the Linktree link, again, it will take you then to a whole range of other options. So as amazing and as popular as Instagram is, there's been some limitations in regard to clickable links. But all of that changed just a day or two ago. We now have the option of adding multiple links. So let's explore and work out how that works. So if we click on Edit Profile, and if we click on Links, we then come to this screen. And as you can see, we now have the option to add external links, add a Facebook link, and you can already see my pre-populated Linktree link already showing. So let's click on Add an External Link. Now I've added the link to my Twitter account, and I'm going to title that link with the obvious Twitter, and let's press Done. Now suddenly we have two links showing, and if I go back to this screen now, it actually says we have two links now. So let's keep going. We can now add up to 5 clickable links. Let's see a few other options. I'm adding the link to my YouTube channel as well. We now have 3 links showing, and I've just added the link to my LinkedIn profile. Let's press Done. So suddenly we now have 4 links showing. Going back to this page, we now says 4 links. And if I click on Done, it's going to take me back to my home page, and you can see now we've still got the original Linktree link showing plus 3 others. So if I tap on 3 others, it then has this pop-up which shows us these extra clickable links. So in the world of Instagram, where we have been limited to one clickable link in our bio section, we now have the option to add up to 5 clickable links. Now, I just showed you links to my other social media platforms. That works for me. Most other people will probably add to their website, to their Shopify store, to various other landing pages, that type of thing. The opportunities will be endless. There was the option to add a link to our Facebook page, but I think I have to sync my phone and accounts in some way. I hadn't worked out how to do that. So what I want you to do is go to the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know, are you going to be a fan of adding multiple clickable links to your Instagram bio? Let me know the pluses. Let me know the minuses. I'm not quite sure, which way I'm sort of flowing at the moment in regard to this, but I think it can only benefit, I suppose, us in the long run. Go to the comments. Let me know your thoughts. While you're there, if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this video across any of my other socials, you know the drill. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know where you're tuning in from around the world, and like, subscribe, and follow me across my social media channels.